Good morning everyone. Today is Saturday and I decided I'm gonna actually do a vlog this weekend because there isn't like a lot happening, but there are a few things happening. Basically yesterday we did a lot of fun things and I obviously forgot to vlog them, so today I thought I'm gonna vlog them just in case, and so that's what we're gonna do now. I've woken up for about an hour, already had my coffee, already had some toast. My boyfriend is off to work and I actually have to catch up on some work as well because yesterday I didn't get to finish everything that I wanted for Monday, so it's quite important. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Oh, and one thing that I'm absolutely excited about for today is the fact that we're gonna go see Barbie. We were very like in between going to see Barbie on Oppenheimer, as all the world around us is, but we decided we're gonna see Barbie because we've heard so many good things about it, and yeah, we're gonna go there as well. And we haven't been to the cinema in more than 3 years, I think since before the pandemic, so that's quite a while. It's gonna be a fun experience to do it again. I don't actually have a lot to do, maybe like an hour or two, but I have some tasks that I didn't get to finish on Friday, yesterday. So I would like to finish them today so that they're all ready for Monday. And this is why I like the flexibility of working from home, because I can get to finish all of my tasks and I can take some time off during the week and then go on and do it during the weekends. It's very flexible. This is not happening usually, but I decided that instead of working more hours on Friday to finish off this, I would take off time, like I would just finish at my normal hour and just do another hour on Saturdays because I don't like staying up late to work. So that's exactly what we're doing right now. And I have 4 tasks that I need to finish. Most of them are like halfway done anyways. And that's what I'm gonna do now. So work is done. I think it took me like an hour and a half, so it wasn't that bad. And I'm now actually going to go and wash my hair so that it's fresh. I usually put it in this sort of like ponytails, not ponytails. What are they called? You know, this sort of style. When it's like super gross and I need to wash it. So that's my secret, to keep it for another day or two. But now I'm gonna go and wash my hair and then we'll see what we're gonna do. I've unbraided my hair and this is how it looks like. And I realized that instead of washing my hair now and taking a shower and getting ready for the day, I'm actually gonna go and have a workout so that I can sweat and then have a shower. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So I am ready to work out. I've got my yoga mat lying down, and yes, I'm still in my PJ because it's a Saturday and that's fine. And I don't know about you guys, but me personally, I get really bored whenever I work out. So my solution for this is 2 screens, one with a workout, and this morning I'm gonna do the morning 5,000 step lower belly burn from Row with Joe, and one screen with something in the background. And I'm gonna watch this movie. It's a 2-hour movie. I'm not gonna work out for 2 hours, but it's gonna be a nice motivation to keep going. And that's how I keep myself from getting too bored and stop. So let's do it. "30 minutes workout is done, so now let's make a smoothie." And actually this movie, Hunger, I think it's a Korean movie. It's about a girl who used to work for her family business. It was like a noodle place in Korea, and then she got offered this huge opportunity to work for like a super fine dining chef, like the best of the best, and it's intense. Like I'm hooked. I've seen like 35 minutes of it. Still 2 hours to go, but this is what a Saturday it's meant for, right? So I'm gonna make a smoothie, I'm gonna take out the laundry that's done, and we're gonna continue on watching this movie.
Desert running dry on the tip of my tongue. I can taste your lies. How to measure the love you throw around. I could never hold you down.
But before I go and make myself lazy on the couch, let's actually wash my hair. Outfit of the day, Barbie edition. And I've never actually filmed an outfit of the day. My outfits are never usually like themed, but I realized with the fact that I'm going to Barbie premiere, I don't actually have pink clothes. This is the only pink stuff I have. This top, and that's it. And I just paired it with some beautiful accessories like the necklace, the bracelet. I have a bag as well, and I have done a pink makeup. Which I don't know if you can see, but it's quite pink. Like, it's very pink, and my lips are pink, and I'm ready. And I think it'll actually be easier if I hold you like that so you can see exactly like the pink of my makeup. Thank you. And that is the maximum effort that I can do. But right now my boyfriend's about to come home from work, and we're gonna go to a market because there's like a big like food market in one of the neighborhoods around us. So we're gonna go there and eat something nice, and then we're gonna go to Barbie. I haven't actually booked tickets yet, so I'm gonna have a look to see when the tickets are available today, later today. And yeah, let's go.
One of us will have to take a bow. Feeling you so close to make me drive around. Everlasting love, so much to go around. You got me so high I can't come down. I hope you know that I will never let you go.
We went to the food market, we got some food, and now we're going
Barbie.
to Barbie!
Lloyd's Bank, by your side.
Good morning, everyone. It's the next day. It's actually around 1 already, so we've had a very slow morning. My boyfriend woke up super late. I haven't woken up that late. I woken up at like 9, and I did some exercise. I made a loaf of bread that is now actually finished proofing, and I'm gonna put it in the oven. We took our bikes and went to Tesco to get a soup that we love so that we can have it for breakfast, brunch actually. I didn't actually take my bike because it's in service, because it's broken, and I've only had it for a year, and I've used it like 3 times because I got it last winter, and obviously I didn't use it throughout winter, and now it's broken. So it's in service. I got an electric scooter, and now I'm gonna make my bread. We're gonna make some pasta today because we wanna do a pasta evening, and yeah, that's about it. Yesterday we went to Barbie. I loved it, but because everyone said that they loved it so much, my expectations were very, very high. And the thing is, most people went into Barbie with no expectations or with super low expectations, and then it was like an amazing movie. But because I heard all of these people and I went in with like super high expectations that it's gonna be very subtle, like irony and comedy and really, really actual and relatable, it was very good, but it didn't like suppress my expectations. It was just a very good movie, and I recommend, if you haven't seen it, go watch it. It's funny. It is funny and actual and relatable. I'm getting ready to make the pasta, but I just wanted to show you our favorite soup, and it's this one from Tesco's, the Cully and Sully curry tomato and basil soup. And to be honest, we've had like thousands of soups from supermarket, and this one is the one that resembles the one from Frost Garden Center, which is our like all-time favorite. And we're eating this at least once every week because we just love it. And with the fresh bread that is almost done, it's currently there, it's gonna be a perfect combination. Perfect.